Hola, my amigos. So as you can see in the bottom of the pool there, you kind of see a little speckle. It's hard to see through the camera, but it's got some green algae in the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean the pool today. And you're going to come along with me as I do it. Show you how I clean the pool, mi amigos. So we'll get the camera all set up here, positioned nice so you guys don't fall over. I don't want you to bang your head while I'm doing this. So hang on 1 minute, me friends. Let's get at her. Okay, mi amigos, so the first thing I do is pull the drain plug, and I use a broom handle or a mop handle, whatever I have handy, to wrap around the cord, because with the suction from the pool water, it's a real bugger to pull that plug sometimes, I'll tell you. So anyway, that's what I do there. Okay, my amigos, I pretty much do this pool cleaning about every 5 to 7 days, depending. It's never gone over 7 days though, and I've had to clean it. It just gets too much algae built up. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video, my friends. Now me and Jennifer will just enjoy our nice clean pool.
I got the fur one.
Oh, look at you, you got 30 points. Okay, my amigos, that's it. That's pool cleaning 101. A little bit of fun. Adios, amigos.